While I'm editing the video, this is my conclusion. So as you can see, that both camera it's performed really good, but CV camera being the budget version of it, C200 4K video is a 4K video. I like the 170. Every single vehicle owner, every single car owner has to own some kind of dash cam, because today's age a lot of scams going on. As you can watch though, a lot of videos. Alright guys, today we're gonna record multiple videos. Now I'm unboxing CV C200 Dash Cam, right? This is the most budget version of the dash cam, but I'm thinking every single vehicle owner, every single car owner has to own some kind of dash cam, because today's age a lot of scams going on. As you can watch though, a lot of videos. So let's unbox and take a look what is inside on this dash cam. As you can see, this is a compact, very small dash cam, very easy to install. And of course I'm gonna compare to this 6.5 time price AZ Dome dash cam I'm running. So we're gonna insert that. I'm going to install the side by side. I'm going to give you the pictures, audio quality, how to record, all that stuff, right? In the dash cam you have these plastics. Make sure you install these plastic to the windscreen, so once the weather gets very hot, you're not going to drop your 3M stickers, right? Installation tool to run the wire. You want to run the wire, and a bunch of instruction manuals, and the power cable. So let's take a look how the power cable is going on here. We're gonna do a bunch of video clips. The good thing is the power cable, it comes with this USB output, so you're not gonna hail your USB. This dash cam itself, as you can see, super small, 1.5-inch display, and it's SD card is built in, 64 GB SD cards. One is the good side of this dash cam. As you can see, it turns like 360 degrees, right? So you can, as soon as you flip it out, you can record inside what's going on with the vehicle, right? And you can put it back. So when you're turning, this mount is just turns with the dash cam, so you're not gonna break anything inside. You're not gonna break any wires inside. So yeah, super small dash cam. On this dash cam is just a reverse camera itself, the back camera itself, almost the same size. So less than 5 seconds it starts recording. And yeah, this tiny screen is a touch screen. It comes with the app, so you're gonna connect to the wireless Wi-Fi. Connection is gonna be 5.8 gigahertz, so it's gonna be very fast transitions. Download your videos to the phone if you need any the extra. All right, so as you can see, this microscopic camera, very nice and small compared to my AZ Dome camera. It's a lot bigger. One camera, it's the side camera, it's gonna be the similar camera like this, in 170 degree, the wide angle. So we're gonna drive by gas stations. We're gonna drive around and see how this camera compared to this. I'm gonna pull up in the Target right now, and we're gonna drive around in the gas station, and we're gonna see how's the microphone it records on the both camera. It's a built-in microphone. It's this large SUV, so the camera it stays far from the reach. On the windshield it's a lot farther than a regular the small vehicles, right? So yeah, this is the audio quality from the built-in microphone. And we're gonna pull up this gas station to check the video quality and also exposure. It's gonna be very interesting right now. All right, you guys can see some Coca-Cola, all these signs. While I'm editing the video, this is my conclusion. So as you can see, that both camera it's performed really good, but CV camera being the budget version of it, C200 4K video is a 4K video. I like the 170 degree angle, so it's gonna be super, it covers a lot wider range than my AZ Dome. And as you can see, clarity is not far behind. Maybe in some point it's going to be a little bit superior than AZ Dome expensive camera. What we're missing on this camera, right? So the large screen we're missing, GPS location we're missing, because on the AZ Dome you can see on the map your speed, and where's the map is like a location, right? It's going to be like on the bottom. And of course it's going to be multiple cameras, multiple camera angles on the AZ Dome. But CV just a basic, you know, the stick the camera, very easy to install. You just plug in a cigarette lighter and you have a 4K good quality the camera. So on the microphone AZ Dome it's going to be a little bit cleaner, but the output on this one, the noise cancellation traveling, it hits up a lot, so it's going to be a little bit, audio is a little bit not the cleanest, but it's still very listenable, like understandable audio. So overall for the price is surprisingly well. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely get CV cameras as C200. And this brand makes expensive versions also, a lot cheaper versions. So depending your budget, of course, you're gonna buy accordingly, right? So hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.